Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristen and today I'm bringing you guys a baby shower or baby stuff haul. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed already, definitely hit that red subscribe button before you leave and give this video a like if you like baby hauls. If you guys don't know already, I am 7 months pregnant and I'm expecting a baby girl, so yeah, let's just jump right into this video. So not everything fits in the frame because there's a lot of stuff around me, but I'm gonna try to kind of show you guys like the major things. This is mostly like blankets and towels and like not really like the furniture stuff. I'll probably do another haul whenever I start getting more of like the furniture stuff, like our strollers on the way and stuff like that. So once I start getting that all accumulated, I'll probably show that as well. If you do like this type of thing on my channel, I guess baby or mommy stuff, definitely let me know. I've never thought I would do something like this, so I'm kind of nervous, but I think it'll be good. Anyways, first thing I think I'm gonna start with is I have a lot of blankets and like bibs and stuff like that, so I think we'll just get all of that out of the way first. Also got this. This is so cute. So Odette's theme, I guess, to her is the swan, so I'm obsessed with everything like swan. Everything that I get has swan on it, I like buy it right away because I think it's so cute. This is just a little swaddler, and I got this from TJ Maxx. A lot of the stuff I got from TJ Maxx, like this blanket as well, it's just like a fuzzy blanket, but they have like little swirled detail in it, which I think is really pretty. Another blanket I got was from TJ Maxx as well, and they're pretty inexpensive. I really like this brand, Kyle and Deanna, I think it's called. I see that a lot at TJ Maxx, but I got this as well, and this obviously has like a little plush swan that comes with it, so I think it's really cute. And I got this from my baby shower. It is another like pink blanket, and it says thank heaven for little girls, so cute. You can never have enough blankets. Plus, Odette's due in January, so it's gonna be really cold. So it's gonna be good to have those things. And then this was actually made, and it gets, if I unfold it, it's like really rather large, but it's so pretty. It was made by one of my family friends. So it's really pretty and soft and cozy. So I think that's so cute. I love getting things that are like made, I guess, if that makes sense, handmade or homemade or whatever. Or actually I got this for my baby shower from my grandma. It is from TJ Maxx. But yeah, TJ Maxx has such cute like prints for girls. I feel like only ever shop for girls, so that's all I really know. But I think TJ Maxx is so cute for pretty much anything. And all of the ones that I love like the most is the Kyle and Deanna brand, I guess. And I also got this one. It's like cute little doves on it. And this one's like my favorite. It's by the same brand too, Kyle and Deanna. I just love it. It's so soft. The print, or like I guess it's like not really a print, but it just looks so fuzzy. It's so pretty in the color too, so this is like my favorite one. I don't know why. And then I got this for my baby shower. It's a bunch of receiving blankets. You can never have enough receiving blankets. They get like dirty really quick too, so if you have a lot of them, it's nice because you're not doing laundry all the time. And then another thing I purchased from TJ Maxx was this guy too. It's similar. So like this pattern is similar to the purple blanket. So I think they actually came as a set. What am I talking about? It was a set, but I already like separated it. But this is really cute. It's the same pattern, so like you'll have like a little matching set. And I like getting these for the car seat. And then I got these two for my baby shower. I'm pretty sure these were from Target, maybe TJ Maxx. They're just burp cloths, really cute. And then this was from TJ Maxx as well, and these are just bibs, but again they have the little swans on them and cute little bows. So yeah, super cute. Can never have enough bibs or burp cloths or anything like that. That's why I like purchasing a lot of stuff from TJ Maxx, is because they're super inexpensive, and this stuff is eventually they're just all gonna grow out of it anyways, or get it really messy and you have to throw it away anyways. So definitely purchasing stuff from TJ Maxx and stuff like that helps because it's not as expensive. So yeah, I'm definitely like a bargainer. And another cute little thing I got, I've noticed that they've had a lot of these here at TJ Maxx. Outfit, I guess it's like a photography outfit, I guess, if that makes any sense. But it's like a photography outfit. You can use it for like pictures and stuff when like the baby is like a newborn, and it has the headband, a little, I don't know, I guess little wrap to go around like the baby's body, and then a little tutu. It is so cute. So I know for a fact, because it has the swan on it, that I'm going to be using this for pictures. It is so cute, and it's from TJ Maxx, if I didn't already say that. Okay, moving on to bath stuff. Got these two towels. They're so cute. They're from Chickpea is the brand, and this one says I'm so spoiled, and they're hooded towels, but they have like these little tassels on them. They seem like really like absorbent too, so I think that's good. But I think they're so cute. And then this one says hello world, and they're just like pink and purple, and they're just like adorable. I got this for my baby shower as well, and I had purchased these from TJ Maxx. I think these, I'm not sure where these are from. But yeah, it comes with a hooded towel and washcloths. And then these I purchased myself from TJ Maxx. These are like, I love these washcloths. I had them for Annabelle, and these are just like my favorite. It comes with a whole 24 packs, so like literally this is probably all you'll need for a while. But they're so soft and they're really flimsy, and I just feel like it's like just perfect for a baby because they're like really soft and flimsy. And then I also got these washcloths too for my baby shower. They were all rolled up in a really cute package. And then I had gotten this. This is a like bather, or a, you know, a baby bath pretty much. Just to help you give your baby a bath. Because even though they're so little and tiny, you need something, I think, to set them up on so they're not wiggling around or anything. But yeah, I had this for Annabelle, and it's pretty like just easy, convenient. It folds up, which I like, so I can just like store it pretty easily. And then it's like pink and so cute. And I believe this is from Target. I did get these for my baby shower as well. This is super awesome. You need like 1,500 of these because you use them so much and they end up getting like ruined and used and abused pretty much. But it's like a sponge scrubber brush, and it goes it cleans the bottles because you can't, you know, can't get your hand in there, so you need one of these, and it works really well. I had that for my first baby, and then I also got this for my baby shower, and it's to dry the baby bottles upside down, and it has like little I guess stands or whatever you can put the baby bottle into and stuff. So it's just like a little drying holder rack kind of thing. But super helpful. I also got these, some binkies. These are personally my favorite binkies. I've heard that these are like the best. I don't know, don't come after me, I don't know. A little bit more beneficial than the ones that are like kind of like slanted and flat and then bulb at the bottom, I guess, if that makes sense. These are just like an overall oval like circle. But yeah, I heard these are better, especially whenever trying to get babies off the bottle and or off the binky. It's a lot easier, and then also it mimics what a bottle, I guess, nipple is like. So it's easier to bounce back and forth because some babies don't even like binkies in the first place. So I'm into binkies. Like, it's not a big deal. My daughter gave hers up like super fast, forgot about it. So it wasn't really a big deal to me. So some people are like, no binkies at all, whatever. But those are my favorite. I heard they're really good for babies, and they don't, like, I guess, mess up the roof of the baby's mouth as bad. But my daughter's teeth came in really rather okay, so I think we're alright. And then I also got this. It's like a cute little pineapple teether, and you can put it in the freezer to make it cold. I can't really remember what my daughter chewed on. I think it was pretty much anything. I had a couple teethers for her, but she never, like, anything I would give her, she wouldn't want. So I kind of quit buying her stuff and was like, just chew on whatever. So she did her own thing. She's her own boss. I also got these for my baby shower. This is super helpful. It's the Playtex Baby healthcare kit, and it comes with the like nasal little sucker, a travel case, thermometer, nail clippers, medicine spoon, and medicine dropper. So this is gonna actually probably go in my baby bag, and then this goes on the car seat around the little handle, so they have something to look at. I think that's so cute. I saw that at Target. I also got this, and this is the baby carrier. I had one, I think it's the exact same one or something very similar for my first baby. I didn't actually use this a whole lot, but I'm really excited to have it again because I think for like my first baby, there were so many hands like available. I mean, I know there's still going to be a lot of help now, but there were so many people around, like so many like family members and stuff. It was like the first baby in a long time, so I had a ton of help. I know I still will, But I think with this next one, she's the second baby, so I'm gonna have, if I go shopping or whatever, I'm gonna have a, toddler, kid, and then also a baby. So I think this is gonna really help. I've been stocking up, so ever since I found out I was pregnant, I stock up on all like the good stuff, the stuff you'll need for sure, which is the baby wipes. So I'll just show you this package here. This is the Huggies Natural Care, and I use this with my first baby as well. I love the Natural Care. I think they just like, they don't have an overwhelming like scent or anything like that. They actually kind of have no scent at all, which I really like. I don't like how, I had another package of wipes, but I can't remember what it was whenever I had my first baby, and I just hated how they smelled. They smelled super like scented, and I just didn't like it. So I really like these. And then I think whenever I use those on my first baby, she's very sensitive, so we stopped using those because she kind of had like almost a reaction to it. Not like super bad or anything, but I could just tell she didn't really like them. So then I went to the Natural Care, and that's what I've been buying since. So yeah, I would really recommend the Natural Care. I think it's like the best baby wipes I've ever used. If I can say that, I don't know. And then I have a bunch of clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna really go through the clothes. I might just like show them to you really fast, because I have those, and I have a whole rack over there of this clothing rack I got as an extra because we have too many clothes. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna show all the clothes. If you guys do want me to show you clothes, I'll probably do that in a separate video, because this video was forever long. So I'll probably do that in a separate video. So yeah, so moving on. So that's pretty much everything over here. I've stocked up on these. My daughter still uses this. It's the Baby Magic Calming, and then Baby Magic lotion to go with it. Also the original and the body wash. My daughter still uses this. These are like the big packs. I usually get these at Walgreens, and they work really, really well. Super sensitive. Like, my daughter's really sensitive to things, and that's never like, she's never had a reaction to that or anything, so I'm gonna just stick with it. But Baby Magic just smells the best to me. That's like what my mom used to use on me too whenever I was a kid and a baby. It's just kind of been the family, so we just keep using it. A couple plush dolls. This was from JCPenney's. Anywhere I see a swan, I just buy it. So it's like from random places, and it's like a rattler. And then I got this as a gift. It is so freaking cute. It's a dinosaur, and it's kind of like a muted like green blue color. But she has an outfit, Odette does, has an outfit that is like the exact same color and is of dinosaurs like this. So I can't wait to take a picture of that like matching set, because it's so, so cute. And then I'll show you what I got. I got this for my baby shower as well. They're cute little booties, like socks kind of thing. Really cute for like the holiday season and stuff. Like this would be really cute for Valentine's Day. Just so cute for like pictures or anything like that. I got this for my baby shower. These were on my registry at Target, so you can get these at Target. They're like little monster feet, like booties. They're so cute. I wanted those so bad. And then I found these on a really good sale at Dillard's, and I got two pair, like a smaller pair and then like a 6 to 9 month pair. So they're little like, I don't know, slippers kind of things. But again, it's gonna be January, so it's gonna be probably pretty cold here still. So I really wanted to get some warmer stuff for whenever she's born. And then I got this whole set. This was like, had different stuff in it when I got it for my baby shower, but I also got this like little tub, and I love getting stuff like this, and it's my favorite color. Is like, it's white and gold, so that's my theme for like everything. But this just has a ton of socks, little mittens so they don't scratch themselves, and then I have a ton of hats. This is like a very pretty swaddler that my mom got. This is super convenient to have. I recommend getting something like this because it's really easy. If like I have to give the baby a bath, I'll just put all her clothes in this with her washcloth, her towel, everything. I'll get it ready, and I'll just go set it in the bathroom, and I have everything in here. And then I'll just kind of do that if I'm feeding in one room and then need to go to the living room, I'll take it with me, and then I'll have everything in this little thing, and it doesn't become like a huge mess, and I'm not running around saying like, where's this, where's that? So I really recommend having something like this. And then I got this. This is like a pillow. I think they call it a nursing pillow. This is like really cute. I think this is nice to have because it just alleviates all like the pain in your back whenever you're holding your baby, because your baby needs a lot of love and you just love them so much that you just hold them forever. So this is so cute. It has like this print in the front, and then In the back it says XOXO. It's so cute. I got this from TJ Maxx. So I wanted to show you the stuff that I have gotten recently, because then some of this stuff should still be at TJ Maxx. Oh, diapers, I also stock up on those. So once I knew that I was having another baby, I started stocking up. These are both 3s and this is a 4 box, and then I got this for my baby shower, so like a smaller set of 1s. So yeah, my babies are probably gonna be big. So my first baby was pretty big. She was 9 pounds 10 ounces. Okay, and I got these. These are my favorite bottles to use. I mean, I know there's so many opinions out there, but I've heard that Dr. Brown's is the best, I don't know, or a really good option for you to use. My first baby, I believe she had colic, so that just means that they have kind of like more tummy troubles than like a normal baby, I guess. Obviously, babies have to acclimate to being a baby, I guess, out of the womb now, so these were recommended by pretty much everybody I talked to, and also the pediatrician that I had. We had a different bottle kind of set, and then we actually ended up purchasing these whenever we found out that my baby was colicky. I purchased this at TJ Maxx. It comes with 3 of the bigger bottles, 3 of the smaller bottles, a cleaner, different, like, I guess, nipple sizes, and then also like this little thing. I think it's like a sippy cup. But yeah, it comes with like a whole like starter kit. Really recommend this. So last thing I really have to talk about is this. I had this like exact set, actually, like even the bag was the same with my first child, and I really liked it. I thought everything worked really well. It's the Safety First nursery collection, like essentials kind of thing. So it has like nail files, nail clippers, like a little brush, a hairbrush, a hair comb, just like stuff like that, thermometer, all this stuff. This is the one that I'm going to keep at home, and that smaller one I'm going to keep in my baby bag. So that's kind of what I'm doing with that. And then I also purchased this from TJ Maxx because I feel like they just have so many good deals, and yes. Alrighty guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I did want to kind of like power through everything, so if I did miss like saying where I got something from, definitely leave me a comment down below and I'll be able to comment back and let you guys know where I got certain things from. So yeah, this is all like pretty recent stuff that I've gotten. Obviously my baby shower too was like just recently this weekend, so we're pretty recent, guys. So if you do want to know where I got anything, definitely leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Definitely hit that red subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, give this video a like if you did enjoy it and like baby hauls. And if you want to see more of this content, definitely let me know in the comments. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey, yo.